In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a credit card payment in QuickBooks. For those of you who are managing your business finances or personal expenses, this is an important task that can help keep your accounting organized and updated. So let's dive right in and make the process as simple and stress-free as possible. First things first, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks. So head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. If you're already familiar with QuickBooks, this step should be a breeze. But if you're new, don't worry, the platform is quite intuitive and easy to navigate. Once you're signed in, the next step is to select QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks offers several versions and it's important to ensure you're in the right one. This is typically where most of the cloud-based accounting happens and where you will manage your transactions and finances. After selecting QuickBooks Online, it's time to type in your credentials. This step involves entering your username and password. Make sure you enter this information correctly to avoid any login issues. Once that's done, hit continue to proceed to the next stage. Now, let's move on to the heart of the process. Go directly to the bank transactions tab. This section is essential as it allows you to manage all your bank and credit card activities efficiently. You'll find this tab on the main dashboard once you're logged in. Next, you need to click on Link Account. This option is crucial for connecting your bank or credit card to QuickBooks, enabling seamless transaction entry and updates. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this step to avoid interruptions. Moving along, you'll be prompted to select your credit card or bank details. Here, provide specific information about the credit card or bank you are intending to link. It's important to double check the details you input to prevent errors in your financial records. Finally, you would proceed with logging in to connect or link your credit card or bank details. This step essentially confirms the linkage between your QuickBooks account and your bank or credit card account. It's like matching the pieces of a puzzle, ensuring that your transaction data flows smoothly into your QuickBooks, making your financial management that much easier. And there you have it, you have successfully entered a credit card payment into QuickBooks. With this setup, managing your finances should be a little more straightforward, ultimately providing you with more time to focus on other important aspects of your business or personal life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.